Hi guys, today I'm doing a product review on finger chopsticks. So I recently ordered this on Amazon. It's from Heeloo and you can use this for any type of snacks you want while you're gaming. This is the whole purpose of it. So with this product, it comes with 4 finger chopsticks. Here I'm going to show you 2 of them. So the thing about these finger chopsticks is that you will no longer have dirty hands. You can pretty much eat your chips, snacks, or anything without contaminating your hands or keyboard. Don't have to deal with oiliness on your keyboard or on your mouse. It's made out of plastic and it comes in 4 different colors. It has black, white, gray, and pink. I decided to choose white because I like white. But anyways, let me show you guys how I use it. So I'm gonna be using my right hand as this is my dominant hand. You should use whichever hand that is dominant to you. And then I'm gonna slide it between my index and middle finger. It should be like this. And what you want to do is that you want to move the finger chopsticks in this type of direction. So you kind of want to move it sideways. And I'm going to dive into my vegetarian beef. And when you pick it up, you pretty much just squeeze. So this is the movement that you want. Go sideways and squeeze as you're grabbing your snack. And that was pretty much it. It's pretty simple and easy. It's super light, by the way. Overall, I really like this product because now I'm able to multitask. I can eat while I play games as I am a Twitch streamer. So this is super convenient, simple, light, cute, and very efficient. I love this product.